Hey guys, welcome back. So today we've got is a mixture of two things. We've got here is, as you saw in the picture, curly fries over here on this side, and in the front we got some McDonald's fries, a medium fry. There was a coupon for it, so I used it. Then I also got a classic chicken sandwich. And I know you probably can't see the food as much, but I just kind of wanted to like sit and eat with you guys, so the setup might be a little bit random. I bought the wrong, like I didn't bring my actual phone mount, so I bought like the wrong one, selfie stick instead. I don't know. Anyways, let's take a bite because I'm so hungry. Pickles, Yum. No, please don't fall. I forgot to ask for sauce, but luckily the place with the curly fries hooked the sister up, and they actually got decent ketchup this time, like legit ketchup packets. But I noticed that the ones before barely had like any ketchup in there. It was like mostly like liquid and maybe one drop of ketchup, literally. That's how bad it was. So I haven't done a mukbang in a while, I feel like, and yeah, it's just, I feel like it's been way too long. I don't know. So for today, instead of a vlog, we're just gonna have a mukbang. If somebody sees me, they're gonna think I'm weird, but whatever. It's definitely rewarding to eat this when you don't eat it every day. Like, look at these curly fries. Huh? It won't pull apart. So like I had said earlier, I didn't really eat anything at all besides cereal for breakfast, I think. Did I even have cereal for breakfast? No. I don't even think I had that. Maybe late in the morning, but that's it. Or super, super early morning. Like 5? I know you can't really see the food much, but I don't know. Please let me know what you guys think of this setup. Please don't turn red. So many cars. So my new weight scales should come soon. Literally any day. It's already in Oregon, so I should be getting it sometime tomorrow. Yeah. Then I can be like, actually keep track of my weight, because the weight scale I have now is honestly a piece of crap. It is so old that I'm kind of embarrassed to admit that I even owned that thing. to try Waterfast again. I'm gonna see for how long I can go. I want to try it for a week, but we'll see. I feel like I'm so far away like this. Can you guys see me A-okay? I don't know why, but all of this tastes kind of bland. Minus the French fries from McDonald's. They're salty, but like everything else tastes bland. I should not gotten this chicken sandwich. It has like literally no flavor whatsoever. It's just I like it because it has a bigger meat or whatever. So I'm gonna put some ketchup on there. I was gonna get cheese fries, but now I'm kind of sad that I didn't. I should have. I would have added like at least some flavor to this mess. Never mind, behind me. I got scared that they would come in and see what I'm doing and be like, oh, what a weirdo. Because when you just think of it, it is a bit weird. A girl recording herself eating? Yeah. You're talking to the video, a phone. It's weird unless you do YouTube or watch YouTube and understand the whole concept, but I don't know. Now let's see if this chicken sandwich will taste better with some ketchup, more ketchup added to it. Yep. I also wanted to get this for leftovers just because I felt like, I don't know, you know. They do put a lot of curly fries in this tray. So I'm looking at trying also the OMAD diet, 1 meal a day. I pretty much do that. Yeah, I only like once or twice a day. And I feel like that might be good since I already do that. For the most part, it could work. Be something I can do. But I definitely do want to try to water fast again. I just feel like it's going to be a lot, but that's what water is for. I'll just do this water fast and drink just water, whatever. Water fast, that's what it's called. My brain's not working lately. So my birthday's coming up. Debating if I want to buy Sims Seasons, pets, whatever. Not pets, seasons. I already have pets. Sims 4 Seasons or another expansion pack. Because I really do like the Seasons 1 with, you know, it has a lot of things. It's basically weather. It's like real life. So that's like I feel like that's the biggest expansion pack Season has released, or Sims has released besides pets. I don't know. This is a lot of food. A whole bunch. I feel like the bread tastes weird. No, the sandwich. Man, I am done. I finished that sandwich. I'm gonna have one last fry. I was so hungry prior to this. Like, striving as much as a person can be striving who has food. I was super hungry. And now that I have it, I had to take a couple, like 3 bites of the curly fries before the video as I was driving to go pick up the sandwich. Let me tell you that it just, no. It was not what I thought it would be. Sorry, I feel like I'm seeing somebody over there, but I don't know. Anyways, I feel like that was a waste of money, personally, and a waste of time. All this was like 10, 11 bucks total. Excuse me. A waste of time. That's for sure. But I guess, I don't know. Waste of time eating this. I'm starting to realize that I'm not really enjoying fast food as much as I used to, just because it feels like, I feel like the second I eat it, I don't want to be gross that I have to go to the restroom, you know? Like, especially with McDonald's, it goes like right through me, and I never used to really do that till maybe like 2-3 years now. 2 years, I'd say. It just goes right through me, and I'm just like, wow. And plus, I feel like McDonald's doesn't keep me that hungry unless I'm eating like the bigger meals, but like, it literally just goes through me, so I don't know. Anyways, so I think tomorrow I will be getting my weight scale, my new one, so I'll be doing a video of that, and then I'm gonna go back to more serious eating. If I do fast food or junk food like this, it'll be maybe just like, I don't know, once a week, once every 2 weeks or something. But I just kind of like miss sitting down and just talking with you guys and doing a video like that. And again, I'm sorry if I'm uploading late, guys. I might be uploading a day late or something, just because I feel like if that way I can record the whole day. For example, like today, I can record, like, I was able to record like this whole day, and then I could upload this the next day, which I will be doing. If that makes sense? I don't know. I'll be uploading this Saturday, I think. If today's Friday, right? I don't know. But today's the 7th, so I'll be uploading this for the 8th. For the 7th, but on the 8th. There you go. That makes sense, I think. I don't know. This food was good, but I guess I guess those 3 bites of the french fries before the video hit me and made me really full, or I just wasn't really craving this as much. I'm not really a huge chicken sandwich fan, but I just wanted to like try something different. sandwich wise, but I guess I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know about this camera setup. I'm sorry if the lighting's too bright in my face or if I kept changing. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.